Hello, and welcome to Swahili Talk Club, a place where we learn practical Swahili for everyday life. Today we continue with our Swahili numbers lesson with numbers 20 to 100. If this is your first time joining us, karibu. You can find the first numbers lesson linked to the top of our video today. You are also invited to join our growing Swahili learning support community, which is found on www.patreon.com/Swahili Talk Club, where you get to download lesson transcripts, free practice worksheets for each of these lessons, and get access to our videos in advance. So, karibu darasani. Darasa la 5. Nambari za Kiswahili. That is number 20 to 100. In this lesson, you shall notice that every 10th number, that is number 10, 20, 30, and the rest have a unique name that you need to master. Then the system of naming the numbers that fall within each of these groups follows a predictable pattern. To demonstrate this, we start by learning the numbers that make up the 20s. And we start with number 20, which is known as ishirini. Repeat it with me, ishirini. Then moving forward, we find number 21, which we call ishirini na moja. The format of naming the numbers here is as follows. We start with ishirini, which we have learnt is 20. Then na, which is Swahili for the conjunction and. Then finally moja, which is 1, as we had learned in the earlier video. Therefore the translation will be 20 and 1. And in Swahili it becomes ishirini na moja. That is ishirini na moja. Remember, all these numbers from this point onwards will follow the same naming format, as we can see with number 22, which is ishirini na mbili. Ishirini na mbili. Then we find ishirini na tatu. Ishirini na tatu. Ishirini na nne. Ishirini na nne. Ishirini na tano. Ishirini na tano. Ishirini na sita. Ishirini na sita. Ishirini na saba. Ishirini na saba. Ishirini na nane. Ishirini na nane. Ishirini na tisa. Ishirini na tisa. Kisha, the number 30 is thelathini. Thelathini. The numbers that will fall within the group of 30s will follow the same naming pattern as we have seen within the 20s. So you can practice naming them using the same guide. Then moving forward, we find number 40, which is arobaini. Arobaini. Then hamsini. Hamsini. Sitini. Sitini. sabini, sabini, themanini, themanini, tisini, tisini, kisha mia moja, mia moja, which is 100. Then finally, in our lesson today, we see the number 1000, which we call elfu moja. Elfu moja. It is important to clarify that every number that falls in between these numbers will follow the same naming pattern as we had learned before. So you can keep practicing naming those numbers. So moving forward, we get to the practice section of our lesson today, where we practice naming the numbers appearing on the screen using the same format that we have learned. So you can try, and then we will check the answers if you have gotten them correct. And the answers are 38 is thelathini na nane. Thelathini na nane. 49 is arobaini na tisa. Arobaini na tisa. 64 is sitini na nne. Sitini na nne. 92 will be tisini na mbili. Tisini na mbili. Did you get them correct? And now I believe you can count to 100, and you can comment below by stating your age in Swahili. Now we get to recap what we have learned in our lesson today. And the numbers are ishirini, ishirini na moja, ishirini na mbili, ishirini na tatu, ishirini na nne, ishirini na tano, ishirini na sita, ishirini na saba, ishirini na nane, ishirini na tisa, kisha thelathini, arobaini, hamsini, sitini, sabini, themanini, tisini, mia moja, mwisho elfu moja. And that is the end of our lesson today. Please join us for the next video, where we shall learn how to interpret Swahili time correctly. For now, it's Kwaheri from Swahili Talk Club, and do not forget to like and comment on our videos, as you also click on the subscribe button to get more of our lessons as soon as they drop. Kwaheri!